up to read on the sun to bring life to the field. These flowers bloom in colors, bright and divine. You make it bright or blossom, sweet summer love. Do you feel this love when the rain's gone? Do you feel this love when the night's long? We danced in the rain, sat in the sun. With every heartbeat, girl, you know you're the one. The sweetness of your laughter, it brings a joy, no doubt. Like petals in the breeze, transforming you. Feel this love from the sky so clear. Do you feel this love? It's the moment we cheer. From the shadows we rise, like the sun's early light. Your touch is like magic, everything feels so right. Together we sway to the rhythm of our soul. In this garden of love is the beauty that unfolds. Do you feel this love when the rain's gone? Do you feel this love when the night's gone? There'll be just like you chance, but balance so right. Go on, just get back quick and baby, take care of. Take good pain for this summer is too more. Feel the strain, give him to me, I won't feel an instant gone. With you by my side, every moment's a song. In this garden of rhythm, it's a waiting for an hour.